And we are live. We are live.
Awesome.
And we are live. One. I just hope I don't have to. I need to delete this later on. There was some issue with my stream. Okay. There's actually a lot of stuff to be done on the stream, so let's get started. Well, happy Diwali, everybody. I did not have a great Diwali yesterday. I was all alone, and I got a little sad. I mean, I went to see fireworks, and yeah, not very fun being alone on Diwali. And people are still bursting crackers today, and not adding up to my mental well-being, I must say. But I have some ideas. Let's get started. Process here. Not going to do with this. Okay, this is a main item. This we'll see. I don't want to test. I also have a mic, bought a mic. Set my new mic, set up in GF4. So this is the main item for the video. I have to post a couple of videos. And I have to do an announcement. It's not launch. I will call it launch. Okay. 4 things. Let's start with mic. I really hope this is going to be like an easy process, but we never know, man. Let me go to just camera. Actually, I think let's do one other called as raw camera, and I just want to have my camera in here. Can I get this in? I don't think we'll be able to get this. We just have to like work with this. It looks like I cannot have like multiple camera sources. It's sad. But can I just? It's not going to work. But why is this so hard? You know what? Let's just search. capture device. Let's try one more. There's some filter applied here which I want to. Oh, I see. Okay, and can I just make it iPhone? Yes. Let's go. Figure this out. Figure out how to use. I cannot just hold this. I need to get a tripod. Should I get a tripod in this video? Okay, let me see if there's a tripod nearby. Okay, let's. Dude, I cannot believe I pulled this off so quickly. Hello. Let me just try to frame this properly. Like this. Oh, perfection, I would call it. Perfection is how I would call it. Who knew that this was possible? But it is. Okay, that's. Also, Boya said open box delivery is not possible, and they wanted me to shoot a video while doing this, so this is even better that I'm doing it on stream. So if the mic does not work, I have a better case. love doing this, man. I absolutely love doing this. This one, trash it. I don't like this. Never mind. Okay, I'll plug this in and we'll figure out how it works. Hmm. I should have flipped. Let me just set it up for future. The image was mirrored. Now it's fine. Okay, I will set this up and see. Do I not get? Where do I speak in this prompt? We'll figure out. We will figure it out. Why is this so long? Hello. I'm so sorry if you're hearing all kinds of noises. I think I should read the manual. Let me and get this fixed. No one, I'll just go ahead. Let's just see a YouTube video. Turn on the screen. I need to. Let me fix this camera. Yep. Now, what do you need to do? How to set up Boya?
लाइफ में कई बार आज की वीडियो इसी पर बेस्ड है। जब मैंने पहली बार इसे अपने लैपटॉप में कनेक्ट किया था तो एक ऐसी प्रॉब्लम से मेरा सामना हुआ था जिसका सॉल्यूशन पूरे YouTube पर नहीं था। फिर मैंने ट्राई कर करके इसका सॉल्यूशन निकाला। आज की वीडियो में मैं पूरा प्रोसेस बताऊंगा। हो सकता है ये समस्या कभी आपके साथ भी आ जाए। तो प्रोसेस शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले माइक की बॉडी पर जो बटन है वो नीचे की ओर यानी स्मार्टफोन की तरफ होना चाहिए। अब अपने लैपटॉप के राइट साइड में स्पीकर का जो आइकन है उस पर राइट क्लिक करना है। उसके बाद ओपन साउंड सेटिंग पर क्लिक करेंगे। उसके बाद साउंड का पूरा विंडो खुल जाएगा। इनपुट सेक्शन में अभी आपको 3 डिवाइसेस दिखाई दे रहा होगा, यानी जब हम M1 माइक लैपटॉप में लगाएंगे तब वो एज अ 4th डिवाइस आ जाएगा। अब राइट साइड में साउंड कंट्रोल पैनल पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही क्लिक करेंगे एक साउंड का विंडो खुल जाएगा। हार्डवेयर शो करने लगेगा जिसके ऊपर ग्रीन टिक भी लगा होगा। आप
आपको यहाँ पे इस तरह से आप यूज करता है। एक तो पहला कि इसके अंदर जो है वो बैटरी होता है। चलिए मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखा देता हूँ। देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एक बैटरी होता है जिसे कि आपको यहाँ पे इसके अंदर लगाना पड़ता है और लगाने के बाद आपके पास एक और मिलता है जिसे कि यहाँ पे इस तरह से आप यूज कर पाएंगे। ये नॉइज रिमूवर के लिए रहता है। अगर आप न्यू परचेज़ किए होंगे तो आपको पता होगा कि ये इसमें जो है वो लगाने के लिए आपको ये कॉलर माइक तरह आपको नहीं मिलता होगा और ये आपको यहाँ पे जो ये नॉइज रिमूवर के लिए दिया है ये आपको नहीं लगा हुआ। तो ये दोनों को पहले आपको लगाना है और इसमें दोस्तों एक सेटिंग करना है जिससे कि आप सेटिंग करेंगे तभी जाके आपका जो है बोया माइक जो है आपके लैपटॉप के साथ कनेक्ट हो पाएगा। तो यहाँ पे दोस्तों देख सकते हैं एक इसमें ऑप्शन है जो कि यहाँ पे है एक कैमरा लिखा हुआ होगा और दूसरा होगा कि ऑफ और स्मार्टफोन। तो यहाँ पे इसमें बहुत सारे लोग कन्फ्यूजन होते हैं। इस जो स्विच है इसको हम कहाँ रखें? ऊपर अगर करते हैं तो कैमरे का ऑप्शन पे आएगा और नीचे अगर हम करेंगे स्मार्टफोन पे आएगा। लेकिन हमारे लैपटॉप या फिर कंप्यूटर के लिए इसमें कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं होता है। तो हम इसको कैसे सेटअप करेंगे? तो इसको दोस्तों आपको करना क्या है, आपको इसको हमेशा जो है वो नीचे यहाँ पे रखना है। ऑफ स्मार्टफोन जो लिखा हुआ है इसके ऊपर ही आपको नीचे करके इस बटन को रखना है, क्योंकि ये ऊपर का जो है वो सिर्फ कैमरा के लिए होता है। जैसे कि DSLR कैमरा हो गया उसके लिए ये कैमरा का ऑप्शन हो गया जिसमें कि आप सिर्फ कैमरे में यूज करना चाहते हैं। लेकिन अगर आप मोबाइल के साथ या फिर लैपटॉप के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं या फिर कंप्यूटर के साथ तो उसके लिए दोस्तों आपका स्मार्टफोन ये जो है ऑफ लिखा हुआ इसके नीचे यहाँ पे रखना है। उसके बाद दोस्तों आपको करना क्या है, इस तरह से जो आपको मारा हुआ इस तो गान को यहाँ है वो लगाने के लिए आपको ये और मिलता है जिससे कि यहाँ पे इस तरह से आप यूज कर पाएंगे। ये नॉइज रिमूवर के लिए रहता है। अगर आप न्यू परचेज़ किए होंगे तो आपको पता होगा कि ये इसमें जो है वो लगाने के लिए आपको ये कॉलर माइक तरह आपको नहीं मिलता होगा और ये आपको यहाँ पे जो ये नॉइज रिमूवर के लिए दिया है ये आपको नहीं लगा होगा। तो ये दोनों को पहले आपको लगाना है और इसमें दोस्तों एक सेटिंग करना है जिससे कि आप सेटिंग करेंगे तभी जाके आपका जो है बोया माइक जो है आपके लैपटॉप के साथ कनेक्ट हो पाएगा। तो यहाँ पे दोस्तों देख सकते हैं एक इसमें ऑप्शन है जो कि यहाँ पे है एक कैमरा लिखा हुआ होगा और दूसरा होगा कि ऑफ और स्मार्टफोन। तो यहाँ पे इसमें बहुत सारे लोग कन्फ्यूजन होते हैं। इस जो स्विच है इसको हम कहाँ रखें? ऊपर अगर करते हैं तो कैमरे का ऑप्शन पे आएगा और नीचे अगर हम करेंगे स्मार्टफोन पे आएगा। लेकिन हमारे लैपटॉप या फिर कंप्यूटर के लिए इसमें कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं होता है। तो हम इसको कैसे सेटअप करेंगे? तो इसको दोस्तों आपको करना क्या है, आपको इसको हमेशा जो है वो नीचे यहाँ
Here's how you properly install one of these. It's common for us to see people with their lavs wired incorrectly, so follow along and you'll never get it wrong again. Here's how to create the more professional looking broadcast loop. Hold the clip with the logo right side up, pop the mic in, feed the cable through like this, and if it's windy, throw a fairy on. The capsule on the left too is omnidirectional, so clip it on facing outwards about here and it will capture your voice perfectly. Now save this video so you don't forget, because here's how you properly install one of these. It's common for us to see people with their lavs wired incorrectly, so follow along and you'll never get it wrong again. Here's how to create the more professional looking broadcast loop. Hold the clip with the logo right side up, pop the mic in, feed the cable through like this, and if it's windy, throw a fairy on. The capsule on the left too is omnidirectional, so clip it on facing outwards about here and it will capture your voice perfectly. Now save this video so you don't forget, because here's how you properly install one of these. It's common for us to see people with their lavs wired incorrectly, so follow along and you'll never get it wrong again. Here's how to create the more professional looking broadcast loop. Hold the clip with the logo right side up, pop the mic in, feed the cable through like this, and if it's windy, throw a fairy on. The capsule on the left too is omnidirectional, so clip it on facing outwards about here and it will capture your voice perfectly. Now save this video so you don't forget, because here's how you properly install one of these. It's common for us to see people with their lavs wired incorrectly, so follow along and you'll never get it wrong again. Here's how to create the more professional looking broadcast loop. Hold the clip with the logo right side up, pop the mic in, feed the cable through like this, and if it's windy, throw a fairy on. The capsule on the left too is omnidirectional, so clip it on facing outwards about here and it will capture your voice perfectly. Now save this video so you don't forget,
Now I
because
want to test
here's
it.
how you
So
properly
this
install one of
is
these.
audio on
It's common for us to see people with their lavs wired incorrectly, so follow along and you'll never get it wrong again. Here's how to create the more professional looking
This is audio without the mic, this is audio without the mic, this is audio without the mic. This is audio with the mic, this is audio with the mic. Let me just quickly check in. Let me quickly check. I really hope we get it in first time, because I do not like streaming all of this BS. I really hope we get it in first time, because I do not like streaming all of this BS.
लेकिन अगर आप मोबाइल
fairy on. The capsule on it through like this. Save this video so
This is audio without the mic, this is audio without the mic, this is audio without the mic. This is audio with the mic, this is audio with the mic. Oh, I think this is perfect. I think this is perfect. Check in. This is perfect. Let me quickly check. It's perfect. This is audio without the mic, this is audio without the mic. This is audio with the mic, this is audio with the mic. Oh, I think this is perfect. I think this is perfect. Check in. I think the audio is perfect. It's absolutely perfect. This is audio with the mic, this is audio with the mic. Oh, I think this is perfect. I think this is perfect. Check in. I think the audio is perfect. It's absolutely perfect. And the audio is perfect, but then I think if I start playing stuff near the mic, I think that's going to be a problem. I just hope it picks up audio from my this is going to be an issue. I will have to figure out how to wear a mic. but that is for off stream. But I think this is fine for now. Also, I do not like how poised I look with the button up, but I think we are good for now. Let me quickly keep away the sharp stuff. What's happening with my plant? My plant is not doing healthy. I have a ZZ plant, and it's been drooping on this part. So, and if you look at this leaf, it's all yellow. Not great. Not great, but it is what it is. Okay, let's get back to the stream. This is done. This will get to. Let me show you what it actually is quickly. I want to post a video on YouTube. My first YouTube shorts, guys. A lot of first today. I think this is me turning into a proper full-time streamer. Damn, Shubham is here. I just saw. Wow, Shubham, thank you. You're my first viewer. I have built something and I want to post it. And I have written some captions for that. Let me pull them up. I need to set up some pings when I get messages, because I've missed that and I don't want to do that. Okay, so I'll use the, I think I'll just use this. Oh wait, I think I might have Googled something else. This is just, no, I don't like any of them. Let's just use this. I want to post the video on. I did have my live chat pinned on my OBS, Shubham. But then I'm not getting pings when I get. Yeah, but I'm not getting any pings when chats come up, so I think that's the issue. But then I think it makes sense, given some people have like hundreds of thousands of people who are viewing their live stream, so they'll continuously keep getting pings. So maybe that is why there is no alerting system. I want to post this, so let me quickly pull it up. Okay, so this is the video. Delete this shots.
Gotta ask you about Lana Del Rey.
How do I post? Yeah, small creative problems. We just have to keep an eye out for the chat. Or maybe I think that's what the big streamers do as well. How do I post on YouTube? Found it.
I don't want to
every Sunday. I don't want someone who likes cats. I'm a dog person.
Being processed.
Is a moderate Democrat okay?
I hope I do not get copyrighted for using this scene from Materialists.
I don't want to date liberal, and they have to go to church every Sunday.
Just want to add a caption. What is up, Shubham? How's life been? I'll add my caption in. Life has been okay with me. Nice. I was here all alone for Diwali. It was pretty sad. I don't want to do it again. Wait. Okay, this is only for a YouTube short, so we only get titles here. Thanks a lot, Shubham. I don't think I'm gonna blow up anytime soon, but even if I do not blow up, I will never forget you. This looks pretty. Let me just type it in. I just humbled my dating preferences. Give me some hashtags. Just add AI puts. Okay, this is dumb. There are no fun hashtags. I'm posting for the first time, so that's why I'm taking time, but maybe from next time it will not. It will not take that long. I've started uploading that, so this should go up. So I'll just mark this as done. Maybe once it is uploaded, then we'll see it online, but I think we're good for now. I also wanted to, I did some research last night on adding analytics. On adding analytics to maybe notes is not required for now, but last night as a quick summary, I'll show you the website. So I wanted to start adding some tracking info to the website just because there's a main reason for it. I've built a project, this marriage market estimator, and I'm going to ship it. I'm planning to ship this today, and when I ship it, I want to start tracking page views. And to track page views, I would need some kind of analytics tracking. So I did some research last night. I got like few options. So the major options that came up last night were Google Analytics, these Unami and Plausible, and this Versal Analytics. Versal Analytics is paid and it's pretty costly. It's like $10 per month, which I don't think is worth with the amount of traffic that I get. So I thought Google Analytics was a better option, especially because it's free. So that is what I want to do now, adding Google Analytics. So let's get started. I hope to finish this soon.
Business. So let's jump straight in to my Google Analytics and take a look around. So when you first get into Google Analytics, you're going to come to this page here. Now, this page is okay, but it doesn't really give us much information. So we need to dig a little bit deeper. So over on the left, we've got
first time. What we're going to do is create a brand new Google Analytics property, a brand new website, and then we're going to put the code on the website that we need to start sending events about what our users are doing on the site to Google Analytics for processing. We'll then jump into the UI for Google Analytics and see some of the events and reports that we get right out of the box. All right, let's dive in. Okay, now we're on the home page of our Google Analytics property. Now I've already created a Google Analytics account and a Google Analytics property. And once you do that, you're going to end up on a page that looks like this. And it's going to be saying that, hey, we don't have any data right now. You need to set up a data stream. And all a data stream is a source of data that we're going to feed in.
Okay, let me just go ahead. Back.
In a Google Analytics. Dive in. Now I've already created a Google Analytics account and a Google Analytics property. And once you do that, you're going to end up on a page that looks like this. And it's going to be saying that, hey, we're
I'm sure India will not. Just have the same thing now. Is it that easy? Is it that easy?
do GA that we provided. Now what that means, pay clicking for you, the tagging. On the next dialog, there's a couple things that we won't have to do much more than get the tagging set up. On the next dialog, in our tag events that gets no data, a lot of different options instead of tagging for the, I believe well is right, not just, all right, being set up. Go analytics icon, we're gonna click on that, it's gonna do that. It'll open up a new tab.
Pull up my
Now we're at the Google Tag Manager
code
homepage.
also.
And we need to create an account, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to call this account my GA Tutorials. And then I'm going to put in my website, gatutorials.com, just like we did for Google Analytics. And we'll click Web. We can get to Google Tag Manager directly from Google Analytics. So if we click out of here and we go to the top,
Okay, let me just do. I was actually working on something last night. And I don't think we need it, so let me actually see some changes that I've made last night. I've actually made some changes to my website, so this whole work page is revamped. Nothing on here, nothing on here. Yeah, I was only working on the work page. Still don't like it. I don't like resume being next to summary. It makes no sense. There is no information hierarchy there. So look at all my comments. Yeah, so I just worked on the work page, and I think everything else is to add some I wanted to add a quote to my homepage because I'm old school like that, but I don't like the idea, so I think I'll just do let me just quickly see how the web page is looking, and if it looks good then we can add the tracking and then this I'll fix later, and all of these links also have to be fixed, and this is not my right GPA, this is not the coursework that I wanted to showcase. I think this and this is fine. So I just need to fix this bit up and change links here. This will get to first let's finish up this analytics page. So they mentioned let's add stuff to app. Okay. I do not like showing all of these. Yeah, I think it's fine. We will. This is with Google tracking. It looks just like usual, so I think fine. Let's just push. If not, we will revert back to PR or something. Wait. Good catch. Now, let's go. Let's start with I've only changed app.js to already add app.js. Okay, I think it's deployed. While this happens, zero active users. Tag is installed. So go back. Done. looks like we have some users, and adding another one. Everybody's in, looks like everybody is in. Maybe this will. I think we can just wait for like maybe few more minutes, and so it says everybody's on the home page, but maybe that's not really true. I want to give it some time to just fixing. Yeah. It says 2 active users and all of them are on the hashtag. I don't know if it's hallucinating or if it's giving me right stuff. It makes it extra hard because I have no clue about how Google Analytics works, which may be the first thing that I should learn. Like I should learn how GA4 works and then but I think this makes sense because this is the same code. Let's push this first. Let me just quickly check. I want to edit, like not actual dating profiles. It makes no sense to have it here. So we should have gone there. Yeah, let's add this bit in. Just let me push this. This has been edited, so git commit. Okay, we're good there. And now let's fix this. Acha, should have done that in the first place. I wanted it to add sources, but it's let's just first check. I think I'll save this. Back, run. We don't need that stupid icon. Cleaner. I'm gonna push this. Add, git add. Call this intro. I'll push this. Okay, localhost should not work, which is nice. I'll close all of these extra tabs. We'll let this run. Okay. It has a bunch of views, so this is what we wanted to do, and I think we've done it, so we're good. Only thing is remaining to launch it. I think we're good. I think we're ready. Okay. Let's see if it actually went live on my channel. I've uploaded my short here, and let's add shots. Shot.
I don't.
Cannot edit this. Okay. I think I should have just like stuck to uploading stuff. This is a good one. Let's copy this, paste it in. One day I will write without the need for GPT. That is my goal. We should have shorts section pop up. Let's check it in incognito. We are getting it. And we also have Dakota Johnson on the home screen. So I think we're sorted, guys. We are sorted. Okay. I think this is also done. Maybe just post it on LinkedIn. So that is the one final step, but that's the one final step. Dude, I think we've achieved so much. I mean, I wouldn't call it an achievement, but I think we've done so much on the stream. Like, everything worked according to our expectations. It's great. Good day, good stream day. I think let's just post it on LinkedIn also. Actually, the video, I'm not too sure how. Let's actually listen to this video once. I want to make sure the audio's working as expected.
I don't want to date a liberal, and they have to go to church every Sunday. I don't want someone who likes cats. I'm a dog person.
Is a moderate Democrat okay?
Only Republican. I want someone who identifies as a conservative.
Audrey, I don't know if there's a cat-hating, Christian, conservative, lesbian in most parts of New York.
And that scene made me wonder just how rare is the person we want to marry. So I built something called as the marriage market estimator. It starts with India's population between ages 18 and 60, which is about 1 billion people. It lets you apply filters like city, religion, education, income, diet, or habits to see how many potential matches remain. Each filter cuts the number down. So at the top, without any filters, you have like 1 million options. You add a few conditions and you might just end up with a few hundred or even less. So it's a simple tool that's based on census data. It's not exact science, but it gives a clear sense of how rare your type might actually be. I built it as a social experiment to remind us that sometimes the more conditions we add, the harder it becomes to find anyone who fits them all. Go try it yourself. You might actually be surprised by how small your type actually is. I put the link in comment.
I don't want to date a liberal, and they have to go to church every Sunday.
Let's just post it and forget about it. Let's recode. Do not kill the part of you that is cringe. Kill the part that cringes. Just post on LinkedIn, whatever. People getting MBS from Wharton, and look at us. It's fine. Everybody has their own journey. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. My phone is dying. Let me. I'm gonna replay it one more time.
I don't want to date a liberal, and they have to go to church every Sunday. I don't want...
Religion, education, income, it's the more. Go try it yourself. You might actually be surprised by how small your... I'm gonna do it on LinkedIn. Oh my god. Okay, where's my LinkedIn caption? Let's just check with GPT once. GPTG, is this caption okay? I hate M dashes. Nothing screams M dashes like this is fine. Now I have to make some changes to my work page. This is the part which needs fixing. None of the links are right here. Something I have to grab from LinkedIn. PSPO. Mix panel. SQL intermediate. Introduction to machine learning. Rank basic. Let's get hacker rank basic. Python, Coursera. Cells cackle. This is 21. Dirty to clean. Data flow exploration. This is the worst course that I've ever done in my life. Ask. Excel fundamentals for data analysis. Foundations, data everywhere. And this is all I need. Let's do a quick npm run dev. This I need to fix. I think I got a 6 point. .67. Better, not that anybody would see, but then I think I would forget to update it as well. So I have something written in my previous resumes which would be useful. This is too relevant coursework. Okay, let's look at the page again. I could very well hide the. It will not do that. Next panel. Meanwhile, I'll just ask GPT to type the can you. What I wanted to do is score should be good enough. And this section don't like it. What else is an issue here? Ideally only highlighting the resume would be good enough, but don't work. But I don't want to waste my time on this. I think I'll just let it be. I'll just let that be. Nobody's going to. I think we'll come back to this page again. So far I think it's good enough to ship. Should we ship it? Should we ship it? I think we're good. Oh, LinkedIn. I'm just gonna post it. Doesn't matter. Let's just ship it and then have peace of mind. I want to build this. Okay, we'll sign up tomorrow.
I don't want someone.
We've done it, guys. We have done this. That was a little stressful, huh? What crazy. Started at 5:50, it's 7:50. 2-hour stream. But I think we also have done a lot of stuff. I'm actually go back and listen to some parts of it. I hope the audio has been better. Anyway, I will take a leave now. I think great stuff done. I'm very happy. Maybe I'll put it up in LinkedIn and Instagram also. Who knows? Maybe X. But for now, bye.